Hi, my name is Tavan, a student from the University of Kurdistan, Halle. Welcome to my video. My video is about the cable car in Erbil. As you know that the cable car is very popular around the world, as in France, Dubai, Turkey, and America, and many other countries. And as you see, Erbil is developing very fast, and that's why now they work on this project. It's the first time in the history of Erbil that they make a cable car, and it's located in Minara Park and goes through Shanadar Park and ends in Shanadar Park too. First of all, I'd like to give you a simple definition of the cable car. Cable car is any of a variety of transportation systems relying on cables to pull vehicles along or lower them at a steady rate on these systems. There are varieties in which the vehicle is suspended from a cable. Airwheel tramway consisting of a cabin suspended from a cable pulled by another cable. Gondola lift consisting of a loop of cable that's strung between two or more stations, usually over intermediate supporting towers from which cars are suspended. Ropeway conveyor, a subtype of gondola lift, from which containers for goods rather than passenger cars are suspended. Airwheel lift transport in which gondolas or open chairs are hauled above the ground by means of a cable. It has also two cable car stations. The station in Minara Park is for passengers to ride the cable car, and the other one is in the second Shanadar Park where the passengers exit from the cable car. Also, it includes motors between the stations pulling the cars. The cable car project consists of 9 towers made of rolls and steel wires. There are 30 cabins. Each cabin carries 4 passengers. The steel wires are linked with the cabins, and they go on the rolls. When the cable car starts from the control station room, it starts from 6 meters and goes to the highest point of 22 meters, and then it returns to the same point of 6 meters. Well, the passengers leave the cable car. The length of it from Minara to Shanadar Park is 774 meters. There are 6 factories in the world for making cable cars. In France, they cost 6 million euros, and in Turkey, it costs 3 million euros. While in China, they have the same facilities and abilities to make the same cable car, and they make it cheaper than France and Turkey. The Chinese make the cable car for $2.5 million. That's why the KRG bought the cable car from the factory of China. Of course, they chose the factory in China because of the low cost compared to the other countries, and at the same time the Chinese have the ability to make the same cable car as they do in France and Turkey and other marvelous countries, and maybe better than them. The idea of putting the cable car in this location is to make the transportation between the parks easier. Also, it's something for entertainment that makes the people in Erbil get benefit from it. There were 9 to 10 workers who they worked on this project from 7 in the morning until 7 in the evening without any rest. The workers were not from Kurdistan. Each group came from China and they had their own specialization. So, when a group finished their job, they went back to China, and another group would come to start the next step to work on. What I mean by this is that making the cable car is not so simple to be finished in one step. The workers that work on these projects should be experts. There were 2 engineers who they ran this project. At the end, I would like to say it's a nice project, especially it's a new thing for Erbil. For now, it's not mentioned when it opens, but the people who work on this project told me May it will open in 16th of July, but they are not sure about it. So, I hope you enjoyed my video and get benefit from it. Thank you for your listening.